Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for May 23rd. Well, the Eurozone PMIs out this morning were somewhat disappointing. Germany's manufacturing PMI beat expectations, but French manufacturing fell further below 50. As a result, the Eurozone overall manufacturing PMI fell slightly instead of rising as was expected. Now, there isn't that close a relationship between the PMIs and Eurodollar. But what relationship there is suggests Eurodollar should be moving lower. Over the last several months, the U.S. manufacturing PMI has been doing better than the Eurozone version, but that hasn't been reflected in the exchange rate. I think the reason is that the change in the outlook for manufacturing wasn't reflected in a change in the outlook for monetary policy. But it may be different from now on, and that ought to send Eurodollar lower, in my humble opinion. The U.S. market PMI is the only indicator scheduled to come out of the U.S. today. In the absence of any other data, the market will no doubt focus on comments by St. Louis Fed President James Bullard and Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker. Now, Bullard recently said that he considered the June FOMC meeting to be a live meeting at which the committee will have its options open. Bullard is a voting member of the FOMC, so his views are quite important. Harker, on the other hand, is more dovish. He said back in April that, quote, it might prove prudent to wait until the inflation data are stronger, unquote, before hiking rates again. Now, he doesn't vote, though, so his views aren't so crucial. San Francisco Fed President John Williams is also speaking this afternoon, but he appeared on TV on Sunday, so his comments won't be any surprise. He said the U.S. economy should be solid enough to merit at least one interest rate hike this year. Williams also isn't voting now. Net, Bullard's comments will be the most important, and he's open to hiking, so although his views are already well known, they may reinforce the idea of higher U.S. rates and be supportive for the dollar. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research for FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.